Hi there! In this part we'll learn how to reset user password by user email. Here we have forgot password screen UI as usual. It has simple app bar, validator, and an elevated button. First we take an instance of Firebase aus. And here, after validation part using the instance, we call reset function. We use await keyword here in order to get the completed result of an asynchronous expression. And here, while sending email, we must use trim function. Here, I'll explain what does the trim function do. Here is an example. We have a simple string with white spaces. We do it trim. If we print them, you can see the left side and the right side of the result string is without white spaces. That is what the trim does. Now, we implement what we will next. Here, by the then function, the user gets success message. And also, if something is wrong, the user gets an error message. If everything is okay, we will navigate the user to the login screen, and the user gets success message. So, the message text is, check your email. And the snack bar background color is green. We set snack bar duration for 2 seconds. You can set any duration you want. I prefer to implement it in milliseconds. Now we call scaffold messenger to show it. And we do almost the same for error case. We only change the text. And background color. This is the error case, and we try to reset the password. So, first of all, we must register an account with valid email. Let's set the password. 11223344. Register. And I log in the account. Here is our new account. Now we reset its password. Press reset and you will see the green success message. So, we check our email. We have new message from Firebase. We will follow the link to reset the password. Here, type a new password. I insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, first I try to log in with the old password. I got an error. Now, with the new password. It worked. We hope you enjoyed the course. That's all for this part. Ta-ta for now!